Oblique triangle is any triangle that is not a right triangle. And these are acute triangles and obtuse triangles. These oblique triangles cannot be solved by using Pythagorean theorem or trigonometric ratios. Now, in order for us to solve the sides and angles of these oblique triangles, we need the law of sines. Consider a given triangle ABC with the sides in lowercase a, b, and c respectively. The law of sines states that sine of angle A over side A is equal to sine of angle B over side B, which is also equal to sine of angle C over side C. Now let us apply this law of sines in a given triangle. Let's say we have an oblique triangle here wherein angle B is 70 degrees, side opposite is 10 units. Then the measure of angle A is 30 degrees. What is the length of side opposite to it, or the angle A? Now, in order for us to solve for the length of the side A, let us start with writing down the uh, given. So angle A is 30 degrees, side A is unknown, angle B is 70 degrees, then side B is 10. Now, let us write the equation taken from our law of sines, then we will substitute the given. So angle A is 30 degrees, side B is 70 degrees, side B is 10 units. Now, these first two ratios here will serve as our working equation in order for us to solve for this side A. Now, to solve the equation, we will start by cross-multiplying the given so that we will be left with 10 times sine 30 degrees is 10 times sine 30 degrees, A times sine 70 degrees, so that is A times sine 70 degrees. Now, to finally isolate A, divide each side of the equations by sine 70 degrees so that on the right side of our equation, A will be left alone. Then on the left side, we are left with 10 times sine 30 degrees over sine 70 degrees. From here, we need a scientific calculator to solve for A. Now, so make sure that our scientific calculator is set in degree mode. So we will just click this one since our given is in fraction form. So just simply type in 10. Oh, no, no. From the numerator, we got here 10 times sine 30 degrees over sine 70 degrees. And we already have the answer in here. And that is 5.32 units in two decimal places. So that will be our answer. And that's the measure of the length of side A. So in our second given, so we have here an obtuse triangle wherein angle A measures 127 degrees, side opposite is 10.2 units. Then the side opposite to angle C is 7 units. We will now find the measure of angle C. Let us lay down the given. So angle A is 127 degrees. So there must be a degree symbol here since it is an angle. Side A is 10.2 units. Angle C is unknown here. Side C is 7. Now, write down the equation taken from the law of sines, then substitute. Angle A is 127 units. Angle B is unknown. Side A is 10.2. Angle C is unknown. And that's what we are trying to find out. Then side C is 7 units. So we need the first and the last ratios to be our working equation to solve for angle C. Now, to solve the equation, we will multiply each side of the equation by 7 so that this 7 will be eliminated here and we are left with 7 times 1 sine 127 degrees over 10.2. Then on the right side, we are left with sine C. So to finally isolate C, we will multiply each side of the equation by 1 over sine so that uh, angle C will be finally isolated. So C times 1 here is C. Then on the other side, so we know that 1 over sine can be written into sine raised to negative 1 power. Then write down 7 times sine 127 degrees over 10.2. From here, we need a scientific calculator to solve for this one. So since our given function here is sine raised to negative 1, so we will take the second function in the other calculator. You're going to click the inverse or the second F or the shift. Then click this one, sine -1. Go back to main. Since our given here is in fraction form, we'll click this one. Oh, not that one. Here. Then write 7 times 127. So 7 times sine 127 degrees over 10.2. Spin here 10.2, and our answer is 33 point. Since if we want to write this into decimal places, the next number after 3 is 5, so we will add 1 to 3. So our answer will be 33.24 degrees. Since we are looking for an angle, so this will be the measure of angle C.